probably watched dozens of videos about making money online, but you're still broke, frustrated, or confused. That's not your fault. The truth is, 90% of the advice out there is outdated, recycled, or flat out wrong. Today, I'm going to break down what actually works in 2025. No fluff, no hype, just real proven methods that are quietly making people thousands every month, even if they start with zero experience. There is a reason 99% of people fail to make real money online, but the 1%, they are using a method nobody talks about, and I'm about to show you in this video. Let's be honest, most make money online advice is just noise. You are told to start dropshipping, take surveys, or promote random links, and yet nothing ever works. Don't get me wrong, most people actually make money with those methods, but the explainer videos you watch on YouTube may not be enough to help you, or they're actually bullshit. But there are 3 powerful low capital ways people are actually making money online right now in 2025, and it all comes down to skills. As a person, you need to have a service-based skill or sales skill. You need to sell a product or render a service. Either way, you are supposed to be trading value in order for you to make money in 2025. So, in this video, I'll break down 3 ways young people are making at least $1,000 a month or even more using these 3 methods. I've made a video talking about this, and today I'll break it down in details on how to go about it. Recently, there are high demand of faceless contents like faceless finance content, tech content, and storytelling content. Content creators and some business-minded people are demanding these videos to post on their platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. The demand for these type of videos is high, and the demand for the consumption is actually high. If you leverage this skill, you could be making bank every single week. I made over 600k, which is close to $500 from just 2 clients by creating only storytelling videos for them. Now the real question is, how do I start? You need to first create a story, a captivating story if you're focusing on storytelling. If it is finance niche, then you need to draft out topics on either investments, budgeting, or how to make money topic. It needs you to be creative because creativity is what sells the video. Then you need to choose the audio pattern. You can either use your voice or use 11 Labs as the voiceover. This choice is dependent on the type of person you are. If you can actually speak very well, then you can use your voice. YouTube as a platform actually appreciates human voiceovers than AI voiceovers. Whether a storytelling video, a tech video, or a finance video, all of them are scripted. ChatGPT can help you with scripting, or you can do it yourself with your imagination. There is an old-fashioned way I use to script it. I first record the audio, then I listen to it and script it as I am listening to the audio. You can visually represent the script with some AI tools like Google Veo 2 and Google Veo 3, Meta AI, Midjourney, Kling AI, and many other video generation AIs that you can find. Once you are done generating the images and animations from either AI tools or stock image websites like Pexels, then you proceed to edit with editing apps like CapCut, VN, and InShot. You can get royalty-free music for background soundtracks, sound effects from YouTube Audio Library or Pixabay.com. Then you proceed to export your video and you have a finished video. The best way to get customers is by running an ad on Facebook or on TikTok. Trust me, you will get a whole lot of interested buyers. You can make up to 1 million naira from just 5 customers. The reason I'm suggesting advert is because you will reach a wider audience in a short period of time and you make money very, very quick. When you get a client, make sure to engage the person to make him or her comfortable. Pitch your idea to make the person to opt for at least 5 videos at a go. If you charge 30 to 40k per video, that will be between 750k to 1 million naira from just 5 clients. If you want to learn how to make this video, then write me from the email on the description and I would mentor you one-on-one. Before we proceed to the next one, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button for more money making videos like this. Selling courses that solve specific problems is another great way to make money online. The ebook business is booming again, especially short digital PDFs that solve an actual problem. The kind of ebooks or courses that you can sell are how to make money on TikTok. If you have an already monetized TikTok, you can document all the processes of getting your followers from 0 to 10k, all your experiences in monetizing the account, the type of content you recommend, and an overview of monetizing and earning money on TikTok and selling them to new creators on the platform. Number 2 is African folk tales for kids. This is simple, crafting sweet stories for kids. It sells very well when you run ads. Number 3 is something on weight loss. Let's say 30-day natural weight loss plan. There is an ongoing pandemic on weight loss and healthy living. You can leverage this issue to create workout plan and meal plans tailored for weight loss and sell them to the right audience. Number 4 is how to start a side hustle in Nigeria or USA. How to create these. You can use an AI assistant like ChatGPT to draft your chapters and overall content of the PDF fused with your ideas. Format it in Google Docs or Canva. Export it as a beautiful PDF. Where you are going to sell this. If you are in Nigeria, you can use Symphony or Seller.com to set up a storefront. Then if you wish to make money very quick, then you have to run ads on Facebook, TikTok or Instagram. The last one on the list is starting a Faceless YouTube channel or TikTok page. This is a powerful long-term play. You build an audience once and the content keep paying you for a lifetime. You can choose a niche from niches like finance, African folktales, real-life stories, tech tools, and AI walkthroughs, motivation, health, and relationships. These 3 methods are the current method that people are using to make $5,000 in a month. If you want one-on-one tutoring, then make sure to contact me from the email in the description below. See you on the next one.